of the ghetto.
Boys in love, Mr. Captain, 2 boy, Mr. Captain.
Yeah.
Showcase. It's in it, but so music on Gara, SMUzwile, or I'm very surprised to say. No much that push stuff sing Gara and all of it. It's in it, or what's the process?
But ngasho nje bethi kuningi ukuseza kahle kahle. Ngeke ngikhulume kakhulu kodwa music uzongikhulumela wona ngoba music ngiyawuthanda bethu.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Kuzokhuluma music kuphela njengoba usuzwile bese amchile ukuthi u2 boy Mr. Captain la bafethu uzongizwisa unkhethe nje bese listening session enzima ngabe kabi and usakalile zile fethu ithini impela le iphile like can you just tell me about the projects recently?
Yeah, I've recently released the EP, the EP Kamalai Listen Before You Go Crazy Part 2, Volume 2 actually. So the Bananja is just Baikami even now, boy. Yeah. Since music so I had an idea with as in fuck yo. I want to make person that like young inspiration would be young homies actually would say music is your time, young Chinese and
yeah.
So I was like, okay, let me move to the music Chinese before these like we're going crazy though, because of me, who's nothing as Chinese or would say news and the thing is and would say nothing Chinese would say about music, but you are Chinese your time music program. So every time I'm in the music and just to inspire something about it's either maybe I'm sad, I'm happy. So also now my title one of my title Engomazam.
Yeah.
So listen for Crazy Volume 2. Qala this Volume 1 now. I'm full So so I was introduced to the game first, so I think it was 2020. And I pushed over to Jesus game.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
King is my mentor, yeah, I told King is my mentor too. So, one fight gaming, and he has pretty good to fight gaming, and then Berlin Power Local, so clearly I'm going to say,
yeah, true.
So, but so one fight gaming, I stand and a band at that time, I'm not having to see the food. I think it was good DJ, because no could have good music, I was producing like instruments and stuff because I'm from scratch from I was DJ because as a producer. So I've released the mixtape I released last year was by 10 of December. So also do my events at home. So I become an event there, so I did a mixtape. Masuzi bengisenhleli isikhathi eside kulo nyanga ngingarelease ngithini ngiyaspana so manje at the same time music ifethu yabo mina music ngikwenza ngokuthanda yabo
sure
ngiyathanda music so ngiyahlala no700 years kube phela ngiyakwazi ukuphilisa but ngiyahlala 700 years ngizinto bethu I'm just producing music and music ongenza imali because I'm doing this for the love. I'm a bonus because you can make money on my streams, can make money because I'm bookings and stuff, but any booking you can't deal.
Yeah, sure.
So can deal with it when I was about so I see one about even though the person music I recognize, but then not to an extent you would some commercial about actually I'm still underground because back when I'm ngiyakufana njengotira uThebo tira yabo ngisonto loyo nestory special ngaye but uyamazi uTira yabo afana yabo mina ngabe ngakho ukuthi lezi eqomgenge yabo because mina produce every music guys noma music ngiyawenza sekushoda nje maskandi
Yeah.
yabo isisho maskandi mfethu uyi gospel
Sure.
jazz but mina mangise studio like ngenza noma yini efike ekhaya. That's how I love music mfethu yabo that's how but so sengiproduce abantu abaningi futhi music mfethu so see hip hop nani mfethu but then abantu abaningi bangazi ngokweqomo ngoba iqomo phela culture yasedubane born and bred phela la idubane bamashi bafethu yabo so yeah ngeke ngilahle culture because nami bese ngisho ngabo isikhathi esiningi into engisuke ngicabanga kuyo thina siyibiza ngedombolo iqomo lethu yabo
Okay.
idombolo lochizi phakathi yabo so yeah but I've just recently released it and the event ezayo bafethu kama event cela ufike
Like there's upcoming events.
I even got tickets la because abasuthi ngomdayisela ama-tickets nami I've even got tickets bafethu 100 rand VIP na 50 rand ilotini general
Okay.
and yeah bethu ayahamba ke asazi ke sazi ukuthi ungawathengile uzokwenza njani but the event igama layo in Komkhama bafethu when sikomkha yabo into futhi njalo mangiqamba into yabo the story behind it yabo since I had event okuthiwa on December yabo so yeah sibuyisa igqomu njengamanje yabo manje ngoba ngithi Komkhama I'm like really igqomu.
This is 2 point Mr. Captain. So Mr. Captain, I want to Captain Mkumbi as and I like the passion of talking about something which you are passionate about,
Sure.
Which is the music. He's a producer and Sarari Lizile. You can go online, you search for 2 boy Mr. Captain, and so the event was over.
Eyashisa kulena yashisa ngompeso banana wakamashu niyamazi ke banana buba fethu awukodwa banasekhaya ngompeso bangzini ngomphethe one of my longest friends phethu naye phethu ongifaka gaming and wangifundisa ukuningi TQ phethu Western Boys so phethu bafethu baningi abantu abazobe bekhona ngemphethu ngishaba ngani bamba semlazi bafethu MNW bafethu mphethu uThaba bafethu Sijongo Boys baningi abantu and sizohlabazisa futhi sizohlabazisa ngiyangazi ke ngidonsisa angilokhu ngifuna lena le but yeah nje izobe on November futhi event iyaqala ngo4 ama-tickets akhona ngishayela ucingo uma uthi kanjani uzokuthola ngisho na Google ngiyangithola ngisho na Google just search Tubo Mr. Captain Google uzokutshela nami.
Okay, like yeah. So you can even go on Google, check a 2 boy Mr. Captain. Two now.
Yeah, number 2 BOI. Yeah.
Mr. Captain. Yeah, well done. Otherwise, it's in our it's also shouting and saying sweet. He's not if it is
Very close to your close to your
So in your work, which one maybe is your favorite track? Just show which I'm more fit already Gaspar and I find the piece with these projects. Hey. Which one is that one?
Hey, I want to see. But let me give you my top 3, number top 5. Let's just say top 3.
Okay.
There's a song it's SO2 Jimbo Sounds. Yo.
It's in him?
SO2 Jimbo Sounds.
SO2 Jimbo Sounds.
Yeah. Yo. The track very soon. About Apple actually, King Leon is all Jimbo Sounds. Actually, he still Jimbo Sounds. But that would have power who would see none acknowledge about food about soon.
Yeah.
So here I am, now I'm happy, I'm in a mood of making music. And it's that side, I'm almost inspiration, we all have a Jimbo Sounds. So I was like, hey, this is the song, and it's as in, I'm like, I will pay up over so yeah, you're not going to shoot. And I remember on my shame, I'm going to go to shame, and I will get a shame in a pan. You're going to get a gaming, young teacher, going. Ngangene gaming face umnandi ayibona futhi nginazi izinto ngazizenzeka manje bo angisena ifan base ukuthi ngasekhaya kuphela yabo sebebaningi futhi abantu like oh hey yabona mfethu ayi sengiyethi mfethu ayi angikwenjini ngihambe ngishaya ngoba uthamele ngiphinde futhi yabo and number 2 I gotta give it to Nakamasosh Nakamasosh yabo yabo bayaningi ana futhi khona digital platforms but yana it was just me showing my love page. I used to love for music on my page. My page was bambili culture page. Even my vocal take because I said this time my page.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, number 3 my page and I would you. I remember first when I was 2 months ago. That's the other first one of Bozo. It's only Lana. It's I'm going to say those with Tawana. Like, couldn't be no me to Bali's album. Timazan. Tell them what. It's hard, my name was a tiny more movie. Yeah, was a tiny dumbo. If I everything of him now, puts him on yes, put your foot as a mother of DJs, but I won't show. So my name is I'm going to live here. I'm going to live here. I'm going to live here. My getting good of this. So when I know it's got out of this one, that's how I want to show me that the moon at that time. I'm forgetting go. I'm not idea can. I'm getting that idea can. That's me let one hour back. That's not only laptop. Not but turned out to be a hit song because you had to do my
check out for the song I showed
you. But yeah, it was inspired by Diallo and top 3 and you're not putting top 3 in Gashu. Singing the long in terms of royalties, in terms of singing the long because even Abantu. I will talk to him I'm going to I wasn't fun. Yeah, but
that's great. But so within this music culture, how far is like to see it going as a movement? How far do you see it going?
I think I should put to Ikomu like Sashingana Ikomu is Ikomu Fesu. That's some I would have music your music Fesu nothing because even Ukoko la panda Mtole Matwale Uzaliko ngeke yabo nomubani kwethu nomubani nje kwethu
and one can relate
no mathola uthanda ngehla nokusuku bonke ingabiki igqomo ezindabeni
uthule nje
yabo so kwethu igqomo ekusheni kwami lokho ngizama uchaza ukuthi siyashintshana kwethu egaming. Now I was at my peak person. I think it was 2021, 2020 to 2021.
Sure.
2022 for now. Like people getting born with us. Shit is happening. Second day, man, but then at the same time, since then, the end of the time, I born with a award and part. They got the name. You can focus on music. How do I make money? Because again, the rules. I was told my bookings for 2 months, for 2 weeks ago. Who knows?
Yeah.
But since you go to Nami building Umzali birthday, so Umzali was like, okay, fine, I understand. I mean, I played ever since I was a kid.
Yeah.
I'm not even because now I'm not put about producer.
Yeah.
Now so where do I see myself? No one gave behind but who see a game in because we have figure money with them boys. abafana abancane labo omo indali obani bethu like this okinator bakhona abafethu yabo and ba introduce uzokutshela ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe kade ayiqala ingoma yabo so siyashintshana mhlawumbe na angisho angikhuluma kabi mhlawumbe but akube ukuthi lo mhlawumbe kulonyaka lo indaba noma lo ovunyiwe kulonyaka lo uvunywa because asenze music of ngeke uhlezi futhi ukwenza wedwa music omnandi
true.
So sonke senze music omnandi kuya ngokuthi ngayibiza ngenhlanhla ukuthi inhlanhla yabantu yabo so namanje kwethu manje ayibo ngibona ukuthi because phela ngiyabona phela in terms of different base yami different base yakho kwethu is what you should stick to actually yabo not to stick to no as in lapho wena echa but vele phela kumele uzame ukuthi ube broad but ekugcineni ulalele abantu abakubekela lo khona there's loyal fans but it's masibo just fans umuntu uzokuthanda ngoba nakho ushaya ngoma emnandi hayi ikho la ngoma yakho but khona umuntu ongathi ngisho ngeke eduze bekhuluma kambe ngabo bethi yabo khona uzothi makudlala ingoma ethi mina ngifuna ukudlala uTubo kuphela yabo okay so there's abantu abakanjalo so lokho kubona ngokuthi kuma social zakho moyiphusha yabo mfethu yabona ukuthi okay abantu aba-engage bethi laba mfethu and ba i-response yabo kanjani yabo so ngasho ukuthi mfethu mina ngokwami vele still want to be more than this because I feel like ngathi ngasengami yabo so manje ngibuyi yabo yabo lo showcase Junthi ukuthini njengoba ngisho umzali wangibhekisa ukuthi okay fine ngiyayizwa umzali bethu wathanda bethu engibona kwi-CV wathi awuma wajabula wathi bethu ngiyabona ukuthi into yakho ngempela serious and uyabona abantu engisocialize nabo bethu ukuthi ayibo abantu abagrand so bethu indaba bethu lempahla le yakho ungayizami ukuthi ube ne side hustle ube side hustle yakho I get that you wenza ngothando but how you going to make it yabo mina ngindaba wangitshela nje so mina ngindaba ethi nemali yakho ndiphethe mina just as long as wena uzoba grand yabo masisonke into oyenzayo ungabe senginkinga yakho sinkinga yami ukuthi manje hawu wena please la hamba ama gigs isinto sikho futhi okay fine noma ngasisona isinto ngifuna imali ukuthi hayi bo kanjani manje ngoba phela wena yabo right la khona and making money yabo phela angisho ukuthi ngenze kusiza okay ngiyabuza mama but mina lento lena bengiza ngiside lo ukuthi okay mina I'm making music ngothando ngizo grow up and then make yabo but then ngarealize ukuthi no egcineni music iphethe udinga imali
true
udinga imali you have to go to mhlawumbe say introduce kumele uhambe uyi-gig uzonke njani kumele request ngoba websuit phela ama-tax kwa yona le mali yokuthenga yokugibela i-tax yabo uyodinga ukuthi you gotta make yabo you gotta get it from somewhere phela sithiza mhlawumbe umzali no mhlawumbe la umzali phela ngeke ube ibhege nomzali kade ufunda awusafundi usuqedile yabo mina phela ngifuna ngisho ukuya ku-UK Z10 ngathi creative arts or learn music nge-theory ngazi ama-percentage ukuthi akuthe yabo ise-percentage kanje because baningi abafethu abasegaming abangakwazi information wazi ukuthi umuntu ushaya ingoma uthembi ngiyaduma hayi vele because imost ivethi izele ukuthi ngizoduma for fame ifame
sure
yakho yona ifame bethu but I can say nje ukuthi bethu bese i-career yami bethu yona because I managed to buy clothes first
sure
yabo ngabeka ukudla bese netafuleni yabo so ukuthi ngiya-add ngespanning
sure
because sometimes futhi kuyenzeka njengoba ngisho ukuthi kade ngagcina ukulezi yabo ngizowenza kanjani imali so ungcono ispan yabo naso spanning Monday to Friday mina phela weekends mhlawumbe ngiyabhuka-ke nje noma ngiyaproducer-ke nabafethu
sure
so nje kanjalo mfethu.
Okay, wow, this is interesting. Mr. Tuboy, Mr. Captain. So, I'm overwhelmed by this interview. And this thing has a lot of vision within. So, before just Val, Can you just remind me about some handles about maybe for bookings?
For bookings, you can either call or WhatsApp, but I prefer with WhatsApp. WhatsApp, ngiyabakho funa khona futhi WhatsApp ngokuthi WhatsApp nenamba ezimizothi high yabo ngathi ungakwazi ukuthi uxoxa udaba lakho because maningi ama-text WhatsApp but kuba ngcono ukuthi manguthi ngiyasithola leso sikhathi ngiyibuka hawu ngiyakwazi ukubona ukuthi hawu lo muntu ufuna ukuthi singakwazi ukusibona rather than ukuthi sure umuntu ukuthi ngithi yabo but inamba bafethu 068 0900 308 As me pin 068 0900
308.
Yeah, and then any for the events and stuff. Among my events are offers because there's a movement called Ezomtatu.
Okay.
And the movement is English but yeah.
That was also very nice.
But their movement was all about using the Funuti culture. Ye movements in and about first push now. As been a person who I'm inspired by Utira Mutini. I want to be a leader.
Yeah.
I want to be a leader. I want to help with what I need. If it's banning, but what I want to do with Anakan. And the platform of banana. So, my items are the song is done because even more events I'm far about to get about to Mudumazi or Munia, what I'm so,
sure.
Yeah, number I call now 069508 0417.
What's the page now?
069508 0417.
Okay.
Yeah. So, the lab always host event, you can do more directions, you can get. By the way, hosting event November 1, now event is over say a pool. Basically it was a pool, a pool. But then must pala first on board must pala what the peli. So Bamba Corinthians of Fusi to Zuma SNS and film Ningo for supporting nature of it. See the VIP on the tran number 2 then Quatulella to the run. What am I would see in shade general 50 rand of it. I knew. But it's equal boxing. 80 rand buffets work for a partner put up for soon as a man now would you get parts 60 more to 12 but yeah, but anything moving to put in nature level face. Yeah.
Like say, this is a boy, Mr. Captain.
Yeah, I feel too. Also shows the face in looking now to Mr. Captain 2. Number BOI Mr. Captain. Youngin Dow, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Yoban, everything of it. Non-session show Google of it. Which AI is a chain and
how it is. Like that.
Yeah, of it.
Showcase this 8 radio, we out.
Okay,
How's that?